The original plan was for this to be Roy and I's dive day, but we've seen so many fish that, ouch, I don't really need to go diving, just more snorkeling. So I think we're gonna do that and just kind of bum around. I don't like to think of myself as a coffee snob. So there's some things I'm gonna just avoid as a rule of thumb. Instant coffee is one of those. And it surprises me that they would have instant coffee on an island that's so coffee driven. Win in Bali. It's like walking past a dead body at a wake. Would you like cream and sugar in your world's finest coffee?
They give you cream.
I mean, it's powdered.
Hmm?
It's powdered.
Oh.
Do you want it?
Sugar is fun.
Sugar. Yours is right there, along with your Max Creamer if you want it.
Okay.
Okay. Cup of instant coffee. iPad to write some emails. What more do I need? Okay, we have an update to our plan. We're going to go have breakfast at a coffee shop, then make our way down to the Blue Lagoon for snorkeling. I really want to see an eel. It's a big goal. We'll see. They are open! Beautiful. These are creative offerings. It's the first time I've seen a banana and an egg.
Did you watch them?
Oh, this one has money. Oh, I'm so excited.
We still have to work on Veterans Day.
Using the bathrooms here feels like using a porta shitter at home.
What?
It's hit or miss.
Like just the still hot air.
Oh,
Like a porta potty at home.
I was like, that's water. That
No,
doesn't
it's,
have the same
it's
splash
like the
up.
heat where you walk in, you're immediately covered in a sheen of sweat. Oh, he's a happy baby. Her name's Cindy.
Cindy?
Cindy the puppy. And I gave her my chicken. And she snarfed it down. Roy's taking so long on doing his benefits package for work. We're gonna go have a drink.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah. It's thirsty work being here.
You. That's a baby.
Come on, I could just snorkel through this. I don't think they take these boats anywhere.
Yeah. Can I get a boat, please?
Let's just take one. We'll just steal a boat. After one bintang, I might.
No one's gonna know. I like this one right here. Look.
Yeah, let's take that one. It's got sun cover. That one's too big, although I love that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you picked a good one. Doctoring feet this morning. Jenny brought Tagaderm for her tattoos, and it is pretty awesome.
We shall see.
All doctored up.
Flick.
What? Doctor. We have our dinner plans for the night. We're gonna go to the dance here at the hotel and see the sunset. We are off on our next adventure. To Blue Lagoon Beach we go for snorkeling and shenanigans.
Mostly snorkeling.
Mostly snorkeling. I'm hoping to see a shark, an eel, an octopus, and what are they, mola molas?
Oh,
A sea
We have
turtle.
to be way out there.
Bummer. Oh, and a sea turtle. I mean, I've seen a lot of sea turtles.
You get to.
It's fine. I'm not that scared of them anymore. I told you how this guy has brass balls. Woo. For the beach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ooh, it's beautiful. Oh, good. The boats stay over there. Okay. Holy smokes. They love their tall stairs here. Wow. Their tall steps. Wowzers. Woo. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. I love it. Whoop. That's hot. Oh my God, that's really hot. Ah. Hot, hot, hot. If I'm ever gonna get beach waves, now is it. I doubt I will, but I'm hopeful. Do I look beautiful?
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah,
It's like something about Mary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's,
I'm gonna be beautiful someday with the beach hair. But we're gonna go find some food. I'm starving. I have some thoughts as a gal who burns easily. Number one, I think if I were gonna do this again, come to Indonesia again, I would tan first, because this sun here is very, 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 very strong, and my butt cheeks have now been destroyed. We have a new plan. We are going to hike Jen's phone up to get it repaired, hopefully. Yeah, and we'll just see how that goes. Probably have a beer up there while we're waiting. And yeah, maybe buy a couple things, who knows. But I figure the phone's dead. We might as well give it a shot, right? Woo! Careful. We're on an adventure to save Jenny's phone. Whee! Woo! That was close. Phone is dropped off. The guy is gonna have to clean it tonight and see if he can turn it on tomorrow, because it's not charging because there's water in there. So we're hoping that'll do the trick. But it's a very scary feeling leaving a phone, even if it's not mine, it's Jenny's. Scary feeling leaving it somewhere in another country. But the place had 5-star reviews, and it's a brick anyway at this point. I mean, yeah. What can you do? Jungle fowl hunting adventure.
Through the jungle.
Oh, look at that one. That one's really pretty. Like dinosaurs. I love them. They're so cool. Thanks. Wow. Oh. We found the first cemetery. Interesting.
Yeah, they've got trees in this one.
Oh. January 12th, 2023? It's only 2 years old. Holy smokes. There's a monkey. Oh, gee whiz. I thought that was a cat. There's one on the roof too. Ooh, I don't like the monkeys. They're scary. How strange. Okay, so that one is only a month old.
I wonder if they come and they date them long. You can see. Yeah, it's
Yeah, that one's fresh.
that one down there said 2024 as well. you, like the driver said, you know, it's only 4 years and then you dig them up and cremate them.
That's true. Before we head down to our Balinese dance dinner thing, 7. I'm gonna beat Roy. Darn it.
Exactly what I needed.
Barely. Skin of your teeth. Okay, we are here for the dance tonight. Looks like it's already set up. It's
Looks like they're already
beautiful.
dancing.
Yeah, we've already got people dancing.
That's so cute.
Sweetest thing.
Because you're so beautiful and cute girl.
Aw, thank you. Who drank far too early in the morning.
Hi. How are you? You're so cute. Hopefully we get a little bit more because we already missed a little bit. Oh.
Hi. Jenny, would you give a review for sunrises and sunsets in this area?
For
They
today.
are beautiful. Way over there. Not over here. We don't see them at all. We see clouds. Although the fireball in the sky tonight was pretty cool, but we saw it for like 45 seconds. This morning it could have been cool, and over there it probably was amazing. Right here, not so much.
Jenny, have you seen a sunrise or a sunset yet this trip?
Not the way I wanted. I've watched that sunrise and I've watched that sunset. No colors, no wild, no awe, no pop. Just the fireball in the sky doing what it does.
Well, how about the moon though?
Oh, the moon is awesome. Bright yellow, like popping, just like hiding and weaving in and out of the trees. 10 out of 10 for the moon. No surprise though.
And the rating for the sunrise, sunset?
2, 3, no go.
Look at how handsome he looks.
That's so pretty.
You look pretty. Oh, he's so pretty.
He got that name.
You got boyfriend?
I got nails done.
That crystal gal. No, you may not try my sauces. You guys scoffed at me. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh.
If you need more, I will take one more, okay?
Oh, wow.
Hold on, Jen, before you move.
Oh, look at him.
It's a full piece.
I'm so excited. I have my snapper and my second meal.